Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Hello English language learners. In this lesson, we will explore Phrasal Modals Part 2, presented by Bandung Linguophile Learner. Please watch this video until the end. Subscribe to my channel and kindly activate your notification bell to receive new lessons and stay up to date. Phrasal modals are phrases that convey attitudes or feelings similar to those expressed by modals. For example, phrasal modals are be able to, be going to, be supposed to, have got to. Be able to expresses an ability or similar to a modal can. The sentence structure of an affirmative sentence is subject plus be able to plus main verb plus object. Please note, number 1, be verb is different for every subject. Number 2, you need to apply the subject-verb agreement. To make a negative sentence is subject plus be plus not plus able to plus main verb plus object. Please note, you can use not able or unable. Either way is acceptable. To make an interrogative sentence is be plus subject plus able to plus main verb plus object and question mark. Are you ready to improve your English skills? Let's dive into a fun role-playing conversation about be able to and practice our speaking together. Hello, Muslimah. How are you today? I'm fine. Thank you. Alhamdulillah. Everything is okay. How about you? I'm fine. Thank you. We have an English club meeting next Friday. Are you able to come to the meeting? I'm sorry, I'm not able to come to the meeting because my husband and I have workers coming to check the heater. How about night next week? Are you able to join us for the meeting? Of course, I'm able to join the meeting. Great! I'll let the members know that we'll reschedule the meeting for Saturday night. Thanks! See you next week. You're welcome. See you too. Bye. Bye. Be going to is a phrasal modal that expresses number 1, future predictions. Number 2, prior plans. Be going to is similar to the modal will. Future prediction refers to forecasts or statements made by someone about events that are expected to occur in the future. Prior plan means a plan that has already been decided before talking about it. Next, we will apply the be going to structure in a conversational role-play scenario featuring Sri Kandi and Muslimah. Muslimah, tomorrow is Sunday. What is your plan for tomorrow? I'm going to the park for birding. The weather is going to be cold tomorrow. That is fine. I'll dress warmly tomorrow with a jacket, beanie, scarf, and gloves. I'll go with you. All right. Be supposed to is a phrasal modal that expresses expectation. Be supposed to is similar to the modal should. Be supposed to is used to express the expectation that something will happen. Be supposed to is used to express the expectation that someone or some individuals should follow the correct procedures. Be supposed to indicates what someone is expected to do or how someone is expected to behave. Next, we will apply the be supposed to structure in a conversational role-play scenario featuring Muslimah and Mr. Ihsan Firmansyah, or Muslimah is father. Are you going to school? Yes, father. I've already paid my tuition for my medical assistant class. How long does the course take? It's only 900 hours, which is equivalent to 7 months. Pardon me? It's just a short course, father. Why do you need to take the medical assistant class? The doctor expects me to take the class so I can assist him with the patient care. When are you supposed to start school? I'm supposed to start next week. Good luck. Thank you, Daddy. Have to is a phrasal modal that expresses necessity or obligation. Have to is similar to the modal must. Have to. Number one, the phrase have to is used to express necessity or obligation. Number two, have to is commonly used in informal writing and everyday conversations. Number three, have to is used with the subjects I, you, we, and they. Has to is used with the subjects he, she, and it. Number four, when speaking informally, we usually pronounce have to as have ta. Number five, when speaking informally, we usually pronounce has to as has ta. Number six, have to and has to are used to express necessity or obligation in the present and future. Next, we will apply the have to structure in a conversational role-play scenario featuring Muslimah and Sri Kandi. Why do you think women need to have jobs? Well, we have to be financially independent. Having a job provides us with the money we need to support ourselves and our families. I'm not really fond of working. Is there a way to earn money without having a traditional 9 to 5 job? Actually, most people have to work to earn steady income and pay their bills. However, some people can earn money through other means, such as freelancing or entrepreneurship. Have got to is a phrasal modal that expresses necessity. Have got to is similar to the modal must. Have got to is used for informal and spoken English. Have got to. Number one, the phrase have got to is used to express necessity or obligation. Number two, have got to is commonly used in informal writing and everyday conversations. Number three, have got to is used with the subjects I, you, we, and they. Has got to is used with the subjects he, she, and it. Number four, when speaking informally, we usually pronounce got to as gota. Number five, have or has is dropped in speech. Number six, have got to and has got to are used to express necessity or obligation in the present or future. Are you going to Canada? Yes, we're driving there by car. Where will you take a break during the drive to Canada? We'll stop at rest stops, grab a bite to eat at restaurants, use the bathroom, and fill up on gas at gas stations. What will you see at the Canadian border and in New York State? We'll see the beautiful Niagara Falls, and we have got to exchange our money to Canadian currency. And then we'll check into a hotel in Canada and spend our holiday there. Wonderful. Have a nice trip. Thank you. Thank you. Conclusion. You have learned phrasal modals such as be able to, be going to, be supposed to, have to, and have got to. Now you know how to make sentences using phrasal modals in English. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share. Thank you. Bye. See you next time. This page is intentionally left blank.